Hi everybody, today is my vlog about cooking. So I'm going to prepare Tajik national food Urama and chaka. Please be with me and watch my video. Thank you. Several ingredients as potatoes, onion, of course meat and cumins. I started to cut potatoes first. Besides preparing Tajik food Urama, I also like to prepare some other dishes. For instance, here is milk boiling. So I will take it off and later I will start to share how to prepare chaka. I will share how to cut meat for the national food Urama. So please be with me and see how we have to cut it. Now I started to prepare to make a small dough. It's a normal temperature now, so I will add this much chaka into this milk and I will cover it. It will take more than 1 week to be a Tajik chaka. Dough is ready. Please watch how I will do this. Now I put it in a normal temperature. It should stay no more than 1 hour. and it will be ready in steam. Now it's ready. Please come and join us.